Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Begin by powering down your PC completely and unplugging the PSU from the wall. Next, switch off the PSU power connector on the back of the case if present. Ground yourself by wearing an anti-static strap or by touching the metal case for a few seconds. Remove the case side panel and set it aside. Make room on a stable surface and keep small parts like screws in a container. Confirm no power is flowing by pressing the case power button briefly. Locate the GPU bracket screws at the rear of your case and remove them carefully. Find the small PCIe retention latch at the end of the PCIe X16 slot on the MSI motherboard. Use your index finger to flip the latch up or away to unlock the card. Grip the GPU near the PCB and the bracket to support its weight evenly. Gently pull the GPU straight out of the slot with steady pressure and avoid rocking motions. Place the card on an anti-static mat or bag. After removing the GPU, inspect the PCIe X16 slot and the card contacts for dust or bent pins. Use compressed air in short bursts to clean the slot if needed from about 3 to 4 inches away. Place the GPU into an anti-static bag and store it on a flat surface away from moisture. Keep the bracket screws and any adapters in a labeled container. Reassemble the case side panel and only reconnect power after you verify all components are correctly seated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.